PVC Hollow Sheets installation steps. Before the installation, in order to ensure smooth progress, we need to prepare the following tools and accessories. Tools: electric drill, angle grinder, tape measure, engineering line, waterproof ring, waterproof cap, self-tapping nails. Requirements for roof sheet mounting brackets. In the roof structure, the purlin angle is 90 degrees/120 degrees/130 degree respectively. We provide multi-angle ridge tile specifications, which can meet a variety of housing structures. Longitudinal horizontal bracing is not more than 2,000 millimeters. Smaller bracing spacing can reduce the span of supporting structure such as purlin or truss, so as to reduce the deflection and deformation of the structure, and increase the stiffness and stability of the structure. The purlin spacing is 1 meter, which can be directly replaced and used on damaged color steel tiles without relapping purlins, saving installation cost. Installation sequence. When installing hollow sheet, the transverse edges of the tiles will be lapped at the trough of the previous sheet, so that the crest of the next sheet will be aligned with the trough of the previous sheet. This lapping creates a continuous waveform coverage that allows water to drain smoothly from the surface of the shingle, avoiding leakage problems. Simultaneous sheet installation from both sides of the roof ensures that the slopes of the two main sheets are aligned, avoiding misalignment that would prevent the proper ridge tile from being installed properly. The horizontal lap levels of the main sheets are arranged according to the main direction to ensure the structural stability and watertightness of the sheets. Install the first ridge tile at the edge of one side, which can be properly truncated to make its length suitable for the roof size. Ensure that the first positive ridge tile is installed in a staggered position to the main tile, avoiding overlap at the lap. At the fixing point, pre-drill a hole approximately 2 millimeters larger than the screw using an appropriately sized drill bit. This will allow enough space to accommodate the expansion and contraction of the tiles as the temperature changes. Once the hole has been drilled, use a screw with a waterproof cap to secure it. Tighten the screw but do not over-tighten it, and remember to put the waterproof cap back on once the screw has been secured. It is important to note here that the screws are inserted through the fixing holes in the crest of the tiles and into the purlins underneath the roof. It is important to make sure that the screws maintain a 90-degree angle to the main shingle. This ensures that the sheet is properly attached to the roof and provides a good fixing. Hit 4 to 6 screws with flashing caps per square of main sheet to secure them well.